So today we're looking at the Russell Hobbs Brew Go coffee maker. Okay, so this Russell Hobbs Brew Coffee on the Go Brew and Go comes with this stainless steel mug. It's nice and easy to use. You just pop that in there. It's got its own little filter thing you put in there. Just fill it up with water. And the reason I bought this one is because I'm a big fan of the Yeti. I mean, this is the Rolls Royce of insulated mugs, basically. This has got like a very clever magnetic slider on here, so when you clean it, that comes off and goes back on. But I've tried cold water in this and it lasts hours and hours. I mean, it's just such a good quality American mug, so I love this. So that fits under there perfect. So far so good. Okay, so I've got this thing set up and I've just got the instructions out. I've ordered this off Amazon and it's telling me that it comes with like a filter that goes in there, and already it's arrived without that, which is really annoying. So I'm going to send that back to Amazon. So sadly I'm not going to be able to try this out, but I can confirm that the Yeti fits under there, and just sadly it just hasn't come with the little filter tray, which gutted.